Guys, this is Om. In this video, I will tell you how you can upload shots from your gallery and use the default music available in the YouTube. So let's get started. First, head to the YouTube. Click on the plus button and click on create shot. The video and make sure you select what you want, or you can crop the video. I'll select the crop and click on the next. Now in the top or the bottom left side you can see there are two options. One is music and text. So let's add a music to it. After you have selected an appropriate music, simply click on the blue icon. Now if you want, you can simply delete the music or change the music. Now we don't want that. Now you can also adjust the music according to the choice you have. Now we have successfully selected the area. Now you can even add text to that. Now let's add some text. On the top side you can also select the font. You can also, after clicking on this icon, you can also enable the background color. Now you can successfully add text. Now our video is ready. It's ready to get published. Simply click on next after doing the changes. Now add a title and add the title that you want and simply click on upload. Thanks for watching.